5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Beware.
Get those fellows pumping!
Bombs.
All the crap in. Operator, guys.
Beware.
Guys, we can start moving. Right, we move round now, guys, because Zez is going to do the last one. Him, please. Fox, please.
Fox.
And Devil, please, Cam.
We have it under control!
Beware.
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat 'em out!
Watch the bomb bag.
Whoever's on that slag element needs to move to green.
Iggy.
Need to move to the green marker, Iggy.
Watch we don't kill it, it's really low.
There we go, perfect. Just kill Feldspar. Ignore that slag elemental for the time being.
Beware.
That's arranged on the other one, then go to purple.
Yeah, I got it. It's
Cool.
mine.
Switch. Alright, go.
Beware.
That's still not charging. That ability isn't ready.
Beware.
Kill the fart callers. Right, tanks, you can go and move up to that corner.
Beware.
Kill these next fart callers.
That ability.
Oh, there's a shield on my slag. I'm gonna try and move it, but
Yeah, I'll give you an interrupt on it. There you go.
that should do.
Right, switch to that slag elemental now, please, guys.
That's fine, right?
Perfect.
Oh,
Another shield.
interrupt. Nah,
Beware.
can't do it.
Switch. Go.
I can't do that yet.
Beware.
That ability isn't ready yet. I can't do that yet.
Kill all the shit.
3, 2, 1.
That ability isn't ready.
Beware.
Cool, move to moon then.
Can we
Says
stand
you've
still
got
now?
it as well.
Right, let's move round, guys. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Watch out.
Beware.
Devil, please. That line's main. Devil, devil. Okay. Kill the fire callers, please, go.
Get placed.
Good bit. Is that slag elemental on is there one on?
It's on me, I think.
Don't, yeah, now there is. Oh, no, it ran past.
No, there's not one on moon.
Someone
needs to be
needs to
on
go.
moon. Thank you. There's one there. There's one there.
Beware.
Good. Get the fire caller.
Right, switch, switch.
Switch.
Get
Get it.
Alex up.
Beware.
Rebuff. And kill it. It's not dying fast enough.
Beware.
Oh, we got it. There's one in US.
Yeah, I know, but Cal's already there, so it's fine.
Okay, good.
It's that one that's the closest that needs to die. Not yet. Not yet. In fact, you just stay on it, Cal's.
I can't see one on it. Oh,
It's definitely there, it's in the fire.
couldn't see it for the fire.
Beware.
But change Cal's not in the fire. Kill those fire callers, guys. We really need to be back on top of these ads.
Go crazy on the ads.
Beware.
They are in shield.
Yeah. We'll kill
Okay,
one
we need
more
to-
set of fire callers and we'll
Kill some slags while we can. Security guards.
waste the DPS and the
I meant
slides.
security guards.
Security guards. And while we can, there is one. Kill that, the fire callers, please, guys. Kisses, don't do it until the fire callers are about 50% health.
Which what? What? Yeah?
Don't kill until the fire. Kill now. Go for it now.
It's going. Switch.
Switch.
Cooldowns, everything. Cal move.
Him, please.
Personal cooldowns if you haven't used them. Good.
Right, move, guys, move and kill all this crap.
Get towards Skull.
Fire callers and
Watch fire. Watch the fire. Volatile fire. Don't get
fire
exploded.
callers first, please, guys. Devil, please, Cal. And then the shieldy dudes. Security guards.
I think this fire callers are dead now, so we can stack. Go.
Yep, everyone stack behind the boss, guys. Come on. Devil, please, lines me.
Watch the melts.
Everyone get up behind the boss. Behind the boss, come on. And everyone should just be focused on the boss.
Focus on the melts and boss and stuff.
Ignore all the other crap. Everyone should be stacked.
No cleaving.
Move,
Just go
guys.
crazy.
Right,
Says.
stay in the hitbox unless you've got melt.
We need to move a bit soon.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Kisses up. Keep her up.
Ninty.
Go for it. Alex, can you hero please? No. Can we get Alex up please? Because my hero's still on cooldown.
As we have a Shami using the hero.
Yeah, Kira, hero then please.
Yeah.
Or Grim. Someone hero.
Ninty died.
Get your
I'm
recovery.
flying.
Alright, no
Move forward a
heroism
bit.
for anyone. Can
Move
we
a
go
bit.
halfway across the back please?
Move.
Can we
How
also
long
get
for the res?
30 seconds? And I'm still waiting on a bloody hero from a shaman.
Come on,
Kira.
Kira, I don't
Thank
have
you.
mana for it.
It's good, she did it. He did it.
It was a
Keep
mage.
it up.
It was Alex.
Watch the melt forward.
Keep moving,
forward.
guys, keep
moving.
moving
There's a
backward.
melt.
Good job.
Next time we need the hero a hell of a lot quicker than that.
Yep, sorry, X, but if I don't have the mana, I can't pull it. It's
Well, I
not
know you
possible.
can, but there's more than one
Yeah.
person that can do it. Mine was on cooldown because I gave Alex hero for
To my
the
furnace!
moon
where
when
I
she got
died.
raised.
Shut these intruders down!
So good at that though.
Good items, guys. Priest, Paladin, Warlock.